In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a private channel to public on Slack. Whether you're working with a small team or a large organization, sometimes you need to adjust channel settings to optimize communication. Whether it's because your team is growing or you simply want to encourage more open collaboration, making a private channel public can be an important change. Rest assured, this process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's start by ensuring you're signed into your Slack workspace. You can do this through the desktop app or via a web browser, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, navigate to the private channel you wish to make public. It's important to note that you need to be an admin or have the necessary permissions to change these settings, so make sure that you're all set there. Once you have the channel open, direct your attention to the top of the conversation where you'll find the channel name. Clicking on the channel name will open the channel details panel. This panel is your gateway to a variety of settings and information about your channel, providing useful options and insights. Next, you'll want to head over to the Settings tab within the Channel Details panel. In this tab, you're looking for the option to change the channel's privacy setting. Slack may present this option with slightly different wordings, but it will be something along the lines of Convert to Public. Once you find the option, click on Change to Public Channel or Convert to Public. At this point, you'll be presented with a confirmation message. This message outlines the implications of making your channel public. It's a smart measure by Slack to ensure that you're fully aware of how this change could impact visibility and access to the channel's all content. If you're confident in your decision, go ahead and confirm the change. This action will convert your private channel to a public one, making it accessible to all members of your Slack workspace. Remember, once a channel is made public, it cannot be reverted to private. For those new to channel management, it's worth mentioning that making a channel public allows anyone within your organization to discover and join the channel, which can be a great way to foster transparency and inclusivity, but it's best to weigh the pros and cons depending on the sensitivity of the information shared in that channel. By following these steps, you've successfully changed a private channel to public on Slack. If you have any questions or if anything feels unclear, don't hesitate to revisit these instructions or reach out to your workspace admin. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.